Hey guys, this is DJ 2001 with them Nike Air Foamposite cough drops. Yeah, let me just show you in-depth view of the shoe. As you can see right here, it's perfect condition. I mean, worn like once. It's a half-cent logo right there. It's a complete side view. This is nubuck suede right here on the sides, going right here, and the inside right here. It's all nubuck suede. All this. As you can see on the bottom, it's brand new. I mean, can't even tell that you wore it once. It's a half-cent logo right there. It's just perfect condition. It's a carbon fiber right there, right here, and right here. There's a Nike swoosh, showing red. These are size 12s, by the way. I don't know if you can. Hold on, just a second. See that US 12. The other shoe. So, I don't know if you can see that US 12 right there.